Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Atome virtual card. So guys, the first step you need to do, just download from App Store or Play Store. As you can see here, this card application, and after that guys, complete your account setup, and after that including your verifying your identity and link payment method like credit card or debit card and active virtual card. Click on navigate the virtual card section from the app Atome, and from the app active the virtual card, and by completing the steps, and you can use guys for shop online, and you can purchase from websites, and this is a good credit card you can use and store for purchase guys. You can scan the QR code and card number for checkout, and you can pay instantly and start and start. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.